Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best multi-cookers. So let's get started. Number 7. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric. Electric pressure cookers today have evolved to be much more, making them true multi-cookers. This offering from Instant Pot, of course, can pressure cook, but it can also slow cook, sauté, steam, bake, sous vide, and keep foods warm. It has 48 presets for everything from beans to white rice, along with buttons for the different modes of cooking. The lid is designed for easy sealing, and the pressure release valve automatically sets to sealing, so there's no chance of cooking with the vent open by accident. Quick Cool technology helps it cool to naturally release pressure quicker, so those hungry diners won't have to wait as long for the lid to open. This comes in a 6 or 8 quart size. Number 6. DeLonghi Livenza 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker. This cooker boasts a dishwasher-safe cooking pot, so cleaning is easy when cooking and serving is done. One dial controls the cooking mode, with 3 slow cooking temperatures, an oven bake mode, browning and sautéing, steaming, and rice cooking. A second dial controls the temperature, so it's easy to set the cooker for any of your recipes. Settings can be programmed up to 24 hours in advance, and the Keep Warm mode makes sure the food stays at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. A recipe app is available that has 50 recipes designed specifically for this cooker. Number 5. Ninja Auto IQ Multi-Cooker. This cooker goes beyond having generic buttons for chicken or stew. It has over 80 Auto IQ recipes for quick meals, layered bowls, poached foods, and more, so you just add the ingredients and the cooker knows what to do. For your own recipes, it has slow cook, steam, stovetop, for searing and sautéing, and bake modes, so you can cook just about anything. Unlike cookers that heat from either the top or sides, this heats from both, for more even cooking. This has a 6 quart capacity, and a non-stick cooking pot for easy cleaning. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Digital Multi-Cooker. Great for singles and couples, and for vacation homes, RVs, dorms, and for anyone who needs extra cooking options for parties and extra warmers on the buffet table, this compact multi-cooker won't break the budget. It holds 4.5 quarts, so it's also great for folks who already have a larger cooker but want an extra for side dishes. It has 14 cooking presets for white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, whole grains, hot cereals, quinoa, sauté, steam cook, soup/simmer, sear/brown, and warm. It also has high and low slow cooking options and a delay timer. The included basket can be used for rinsing rice before cooking and for steaming vegetables while rice cooks below in the pot. For easy cleaning when cooking is done, the cooking pot is dishwasher safe. Number 3. KitchenAid 4-quart multi-cooker. There's no doubt about it, this multi-cooker has a unique look, somewhat like the child of a toaster and a tea kettle, with a jaunty lid and handy side handles. The control panel is arranged in a neat circle with settings for risotto, rice, sear, sauté, simmer, soup, yogurt, boil/steam, low or high slow cook, and keep warm. The addition of the stir tower, this can be purchased without the tower as well, means that this cooker can stir food while it cooks, for perfect risotto every time, or perfectly cooked onions that won't stick or burn. The tower has 3 constant stir speeds and 2 intermittent modes, so it can be customized to what's cooking. The cooker has a 4-quart capacity, so it's great for singles and couples, and perfect for side dishes. Number 2. Cuisinart High-Pressure Electric Multi-Cooker. Stainless steel and gray with an intuitive digital interface, Cuisinart's multi-cooker cooked superbly in all our tests. The rice was tender and fluffy, the chickpeas made creamy hummus, and the chicken pulled perfectly. It's easy to program with just 4 buttons and 1 knob that are self-explanatory even without peeking at the manual. The inner pot is dishwasher safe, and the lid is easy to clean because of its streamlined design. It was the well-designed lid that ultimately put this model at the top of our charts. It opens, closes, and locks with a simple twist of the top knob. There's no struggling to attach it, and no question if it's locked or not. Number 1. Cuisinart MSC 800 Cook Central 4-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Most multi-cookers are 6 quarts, but this gives more cooking space with a 7-quart cooking pot, so it's great for large families or for folks who like to entertain. This has 4 cooking functions: slow cook, roast, brown/sauté, and steam, so it's great for all types of cooking. Even better, all functions except steam can be customized. Slow cook can be set for high, low, simmer, or warm. Roasting temperature can be set from 250 to 450 degrees, so it's great for low and slow cooking of a roast, or for high heat cooking for a great crust on a roast or crisp skin on a chicken. The brown/sauté setting can be cranked up to 500 degrees for an impressive sear. The cooking pot has a non-stick coating, but it is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning when cooking is done.